Hello, that's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. I'm getting ready to do rear brakes on a Honda Accord. And when you do the rear brakes, you have the piston right there, well, which is part of the caliper, and that's how it looks. You have to have the right correct tools to get them done. I have been having these tools for years. So all you have to do, I'm doing it with one hand. You come in, you slide this piece over, and you'll see why it makes a difference very soon. I'm going to find the one that actually matches the grooves of this piston. I'm doing it one hand, so be very patient with me. All right, that one fits. So all I'm going to do is come over here, turn this like this, up like that. This is it's a magnetized, so it's going to go into the two holes, which is right there, and they stick together. And then this just fell off, so I'm going to slide this back on. I'm going to come over here, and mind you, I'm doing it with one hand, so please bear with me. I'm going to come and I'm going to adjust this, so I'm turning it. So it will be a lot shorter so I can fit inside, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. You come over and you put the tool in and you lock it in because it's going to match the grooves. And then I'm going to back. Okay, I'm trying to get it with one hand. Hold on. It's kind of locked up. There we go. And this is some of the things you're going to be going through trying to get these back brakes done, so you're seeing it in real time. It's kind of a stinker, but it can be done. So I'm coming back. You see the two holes? I'm going to put it in the two holes, and it's back in the tool. Now I'm trying to use one knee because I'm doing it with one hand, and I'm going to lock this tool into these grooves. So now it's locked in. Now I'm going to back this up just like this. So what this piece is going to do is going to lock the tool in all the way, and backing it up. It's getting tighter. As you can see, it's moving. It's going to get tighter inside of it. And the reason why, because you got to have it tight. And then all you have to do is just turn this clockwise, and then this piston will go completely in. This is just a mechanic chip to show you how to do it. And then when you're done, all you do is just back this nut off. It'll become loose, and you just pull it off, and you just put the brake pads and everything else back together. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.